All right, when you're putting the dirt back in your trenches, don't put the big rocks back in. This is very important. Notice how the guys, oh yeah, if we have customers that don't like the pop-ups because they say the spring is an issue, we just go ahead and use our black grates. And we're going with black because all the home inspectors are saying here in the north, it generates heat in the wintertime from the radiant energy. So I believe those guys. They see a lot, so I trust them. Okay, so all these rocks, look, none of them are going back in. Trust me, when you put pipe in the ground, not all the dirt's going to fit anyways. So look at how the guys didn't put any of the roots in, because the wood is just going to biodegrade, and then you're going to have a little sinkhole in a couple of years. So throw the roots aside, throw all the boulders aside. That's the right way to backfill your yard drain system. All right, guys. Until the next video.